Hey everybody, in this video we're going to make a very basic Langstroth Beehive Super Box. Well, this box doesn't have to be really fancy. I'm just trying to transfer the frames from the honey supers into another box so that I can process the honey. And the bees are producing so much honey that I've got to get out there, have another box so I can have a buffer to put all those super frames in. So I'm going to start out with 3/4 inch plywood, nothing fancy at all. And each one of the sides is about 6.5 inches high. So in this board I'm going to be able to get 3 strips 6.5 inch high out. And I'm going to make 2 of the long sides, and then I'll be able to make 2 of the short sides out of one of these strips. So we're going to go cut the wood for that right now. Okay, we have our 3 strips of 6.5 inch high board. Now 2 of these boards are going to be 19 7/8 inch long. Okay, now we're going to make the front and the back 14 3/4 inches wide. That'll make the total width 16 1/4 inches wide when we add 3/4 inches here and 3/4 inches here. Now in order to get a frame in here, we're going to have to take a notch out of the front and back board just on one corner. We'll make this notch 3/8 of an inch by 5/8 of an inch. Okay, here's a quick test. Yeah, it looks like that's going to work perfectly. Now it's getting late, so we're going to want to glue this together and let it sit overnight. We can finish it up tomorrow. There we are. Now, these type of joints are not that strong, but we need a handle on here too. And to make a handle, we can route out an indention on each one of these sides. That would make this a lot weaker. Or we can just really simply put a piece of wood across here, glue that down, and that's going to make these joints twice as strong, which is going to be fabulous. So that's what I'm going to do. Just put a little piece of wood on that side, a little piece of wood on this side. That'll restructure everything. Okay, I just got 2 pieces of maple out of my scrap pile, and I'm going to cut those down to 16 1/4 of an inch. And it doesn't really matter about how thick they are or how nice or whatever they are. This is maple, so we're going to need to countersink. I'm going to pre-drill the holes with a size the same or smaller than the shaft of the screw. Now, if you want to put a hole right through your finger, you just put your finger right back behind there and then drill the hole. But I don't want that to happen, so I'm not going to do it. Now the combination of screws and glue will make this very strong. Now we'll countersink the sides. It'll help out this butt joint, right? And who thought that word up, a butt joint? Oh well. There it is. Pretty good, pretty strong. And we'll get a coat of paint on there. And that'll be the thing that resists the water on the outside, because I have seen these warp pretty badly, so it is a good idea to get paint on these surfaces. Alright everybody, I'm pleased with the results. This is a store-bought Honey Super Box. And here is my Honey Super Box. It matched up really well, and everything is functioning just as it's supposed to. So very fired up. This is a good little build, real cheap, real easy to make, real fast to make. Highly recommend it. Hopefully this video helps you out. I'll see you next time, and be sure to create in the creation and always honor the creator.